Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Temescal Valley local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure that your long-distance move happens on time, free from worry. Regardless of how far you need to move, our professional team of movers can make it a lot simpler. Moving isn't very easy. However, using the best moving services can definitely make it a lot simpler. As well as loading, transportation, and unloading, we also offer lots of other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always simple to rationalize the cost when hiring a California moving company. A local moving company offers many benefits, which can make it well worth the expense. The time savings you gain may make hiring a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. Eliminating the heavy lifting also provides another advantage you get from working with the right local movers. Our experienced movers provide efficiency with each and every move. If you really want a streamlined moving day, 3 Movers is the proper decision for you. A move that would take you all weekend to execute, we can take care of in a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Temescal Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.